It's your boy Harrison Stewart back down here at Frank Myers with my man Mr. Richard.
Okay, Mr. Richard.
Mr. Richard, would you like to tell the people at home on the couch what kind of vehicle you taking home today? Yeah, they on the couch.
Okay.
Y'all on the couch, right? Or in the kitchen cooking. You know, we on live, so they could be doing anything in the world.
Sitting by the pool.
Yeah, they're sitting by the pool.
2016 Chevrolet Equinox.
Okay.
Beautiful vehicle, nicer, newer car, just like he was looking for to get him back and forth to work. That's what he needs. Mr. Richard, how was your experience down here at Frank Myers today?
It was excellent. Good customer service. Everybody was friendly. Help you any way they can.
So if you want an excellent and friendly experience just like Mr. Richard got, come on down to Frank Myers and see me, Harrison Stewart. My phone number is 336-354-4084. And on 3, we're going to welcome Mr. Richard to our family. 1, 2, 3. If y'all want the same experience Mr. Richard got, come on down to Frank Myers. See you later.